سورة الشرح.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألم نشرح لك صدرك
Have we not opened your breast for you?
ووضعنا عنك وزرك
And removed from you your burden,
الذي أنقض ظهرك
which weighed down your back?
ورفعنا لك ذكرك
And have we not raised high your frame?
فإن مع العسر يسرا
Verily, along with every hardship is relief.
إن مع العسر يسرا
Verily, along with every hardship is relief.
فإذا فرغت فانصب
So when you have finished your occupation, devote yourself to Allah's worship.
وإلى ربك فارغب
And to your Lord alone turn all your intentions and hopes.